Imagine a place so remote, so untouched by human hands, that it remains shrouded in mystery. Nestled in the vast expanse of the Pacific lies the Tonga Forest, an enigmatic jungle, a hidden world that few have ventured to explore. What secrets does it hold? And why have so many been drawn to it? This is not just another forest. It is a place that has captured the imaginations of adventurers, scientists, and even historians, all of whom seek answers to its enduring mysteries. Join me as we uncover the truth behind the Tonga Forest, a place that blurs the line between myth and reality. The enigmatic geography of Tonga. The Kingdom of Tonga, a Polynesian paradise, is not just a coastal retreat. Deep within its islands lies the Tonga Forest, a lush, mysterious jungle. But what makes this forest so unique, and why has it remained hidden for so long? Tonga, located in the South Pacific Ocean, is composed of 169 islands, many of which remain largely unexplored. The Tonga Forest spans several islands, mostly in the more remote regions of the archipelago, which are difficult to access due to the rugged terrain. These islands are isolated from the modern world, with thick tropical rainforests that have remained virtually unchanged for centuries. The forest is unique because it houses ecosystems and species found nowhere else on Earth. Some scientists speculate that the forest might be one of the last untouched habitats in the Pacific, giving it a reputation for preserving secrets and mysteries from a time long gone. The biodiversity of the Tonga Forest. One of the forest's most remarkable aspects is its biodiversity. The Tonga Forest is home to countless species of plants, animals, and insects that have evolved in isolation for millions of years. Some species in the Tonga Forest have been identified as rare or previously undiscovered, adding to the mystique of the place. Take, for example, the Tonga flying fox, a rare species of bat that is endemic to the islands. With its wingspan reaching up to 1 meter, this bat roams the forest at night, evading researchers and adventurers who seek to understand its behavior. Similarly, the Tonga ground gecko, which is only found in specific areas of the forest, exhibits behavior and physiology unlike any other gecko species on the planet. Tonga's dense canopy and thick undergrowth harbor many undiscovered plant species. Some local myths even suggest that certain plants have medicinal properties, known only to the islanders and passed down through generations. The forest has been described as a living laboratory with endless possibilities for discovering new forms of life. But the forest is not just a haven for the flora and fauna that live there. It's also a critical piece of the ecological puzzle in the South Pacific. The rainforests of Tonga are vital for maintaining the local climate and protecting the surrounding coral reefs from erosion. Researchers now agree that preserving this delicate environment is crucial to the survival of not only Tonga's ecosystems, but also the global ecological balance. The mystical myths and legends of the Tonga Forest. To understand the Tonga Forest, we must also understand the islanders' relationship with it. The Tonga archipelago is rich with Polynesian folklore, and the Tonga Forest is no exception. Ancient myths and legends speak of powerful spirits that inhabit the jungle, guarding the sacred places deep within. One of the most well-known legends is that of the Tonga spirit, a supernatural entity said to dwell within the heart of the forest. The spirit is believed to protect both the forest and the islanders, keeping outsiders away from sacred grounds. Many locals claim to have heard strange sounds emanating from deep within the forest, whispers, cries, and sometimes even laughter that they attribute to the forest spirits. The belief in the Tonga spirit has had a profound impact on the way locals interact with the forest. Certain parts of the forest are considered taboo and remain untouched by human activity, while others are visited for ceremonial purposes. The islanders believe that disturbing these sacred places could bring about curses or misfortune, perpetuating the forest's aura of mystery. The Tonga Forest and its connection to ancient civilizations. Beyond its natural beauty and mystical presence, the Tonga Forest also holds a key to understanding the ancient Polynesian people. The islands of Tonga are among the oldest inhabited lands in the Pacific, with evidence of human settlement dating back thousands of years. Yet, much about the early inhabitants and their connection to the forest remains shrouded in mystery. Archaeological evidence suggests that ancient Polynesians were highly skilled navigators and explorers. They used the stars, ocean currents, and landmarks like the Tonga Forest to chart their course across the vast Pacific Ocean. Some experts believe that the Tonga Forest may have been an important part of their spiritual practices and navigation system, providing essential materials for their tools and weapons. But the true extent of the forest's significance to the ancient Polynesians remains unclear. Some believe that the Tonga Forest could be hiding ancient artifacts or even sacred burial sites that could reveal more about the region's history. Archaeologists are particularly interested in locating any remnants of early Polynesian settlements or structures that might have been constructed using materials sourced from the forest. The Tonga Forest and environmental challenges. While the Tonga Forest remains relatively untouched by large-scale deforestation, it is not immune to environmental challenges. Climate change and human activity, particularly tourism, are beginning to take their toll on the fragile ecosystem. Rising temperatures, along with increasing incidents of severe weather, threaten the delicate balance of the forest. Scientists warn that if deforestation continues, it could trigger a cascade of ecological consequences, including the loss of species unique to the area and disruptions to the local climate. Furthermore, the growing popularity of ecotourism poses a threat to the fragile habitats in the forest. In response, the government of Tonga, along with environmental organizations, is making efforts to protect the forest. Conservation programs have been established to monitor the biodiversity of the region, and restrictions are being placed on access to particularly sensitive areas. The challenge, however, lies in balancing tourism with conservation efforts. The Tonga Forest has become a popular destination for those seeking adventure, but it is also crucial to preserve its sanctity for future generations. The future of the Tonga Forest. Looking ahead, the Tonga Forest remains a place of both fascination and uncertainty. As climate change continues to affect the region, scientists will have to work harder to understand the long-term effects on the ecosystem. New technology, such as drones and satellite imagery, is aiding researchers in mapping the forest and uncovering its hidden secrets. The future of the Tonga Forest lies in the hands of those who understand its value, not only to Tonga, but to the world. Will the mysteries of the Tonga Forest be solved, or will it remain a place that continues to elude our understanding? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the secrets of the Tonga Forest, then you'll definitely love my other video about the enigmatic secret of Oak Island. Click the link to watch now and explore yet another fascinating mystery with me.